A jump rope is so compact that it can easily fit in your pocket, or you can easily carry it in your hand, as I was doing in the clip at the beginning of this video. So the other day, I wanted to find a more secluded place to jump rope, a more open space, and I simply just wanted a change of scenery. So I grabbed my cross rope handles as well as a 1/4 pound cross rope. I put on my Paluva barefoot minimalist shoes, and then I jogged for about 10 minutes to the location that you are seeing on the screen now. Before leaving my house, I warmed up my joints, my ankle joints, my knees, my shoulders, my hips, for example, and then I jogged. It's fantastic just being able to grab your piece of exercise equipment and move to a different location. And the jump rope being so small and so light, it's very easy to do that. And one thing that I've long encouraged on this channel is making use of space when you jump rope. So if you have access to open space, I encourage you to try jumping rope while moving around. Moving around while you jump rope is not only really fun, but it engages the body and mind in different ways. It makes even the easiest of moves far more challenging. For example, if you take the basic 2-foot hop, instead of performing it in the same spot, try doing it while you move forwards, backwards, from side to side, diagonally, around in circles. And I think you'll quickly realize what I'm talking about in terms of the enjoyment factor and how challenging it is. Although the ground that I was jumping rope on today wasn't exactly flat in all areas, it was just so nice to have such a large open space. And as you can see in the footage in this video, I definitely made use of it. I performed a lot of freestyle skipping moves. I performed basic moves while moving in all different directions. And I also did some more intense moves basically in the same spot, such as sets of 100 double unders, double under crisscrosses, and as well as some triple unders and triple under crossovers. So it's just an absolutely fun day. I warmed up at home a little bit. I ran to this location, and then I jumped rope, and then as a cool down, I walked home. So just a fantastic day. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video.